Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who struggles with poor sleep, low immunity, or just wants to improve overall health, then stick around because today we are talking about one golden secret that's been used for centuries. Turmeric milk. This simple drink can work wonders for your body and mind, especially when consumed before bed. So grab your favorite cozy spot and let's dive into the 5 incredible benefits of drinking turmeric milk before you sleep. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss health tips that can transform your daily routine. First up, turmeric milk is a natural sleep booster. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which reduces inflammation and stress levels in the body. When combined with warm milk, it helps relax your nervous system and promote serotonin production, the hormone that regulates mood and sleep, instead of reaching for sleeping pills. Try sipping a warm cup of golden milk, and you'll notice how much easier it becomes to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Better sleep means better focus, energy, and overall productivity the next day. Second, turmeric milk is a powerhouse for your immune system. In today's fast-paced world, especially with changing weather and exposure to germs, keeping your immunity strong is a top priority. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help your body fight off infections and reduce the risk of colds and flu. Drinking it regularly before bed ensures that your body works overnight to repair and protect, so you wake up feeling refreshed and stronger every morning. Plus, if you add a dash of black pepper to your turmeric milk, it boosts curcumin absorption up to 2000%. Number 3, relief from joint and muscle pain. If you are someone who experiences body aches after a long workday or an intense workout, turmeric milk is your best friend. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain in muscles and joints. Many people with arthritis or chronic pain report feeling better after adding this simple drink to their bedtime routine. It works naturally without the side effects of painkillers and helps you wake up pain-free and ready to tackle the day. Coming in at number 4, better digestion. Digestive issues like bloating, gas, or indigestion can really disrupt sleep. The combination of warm milk and turmeric soothes your digestive tract and helps break down food more efficiently. It can also prevent acid reflux and heartburn if you've had a late dinner. By drinking turmeric milk before bed, you are giving your digestive system a gentle push so it can do its job while you rest. And finally, reason number 5, turmeric milk is a natural detox drink. Every day, your body accumulates toxins from processed foods, pollution, and stress. Turmeric helps cleanse the liver and flush out these harmful toxins from your system. Drinking this golden elixir before bed allows your body to detox overnight, leaving you feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier in the morning. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in your long-term health. So there you have it. 5 incredible advantages of drinking turmeric milk before bed. 1. Better sleep. 2. Stronger immunity. 3. Pain relief. 4. Improved digestion. 5. Natural detox. Bonus tip. For even better results, use organic turmeric, warm almond या oat milk if you are dairy free, and add a pinch of black pepper and honey for taste and maximum health benefits. If you start drinking this golden milk consistently, you'll be amazed at the changes you feel, both physically and mentally. Which benefit are you most excited to try for yourself? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who could use this golden health hack. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.